When it comes to DUI and sobriety court monitoring, it's time to leave traditional ignition interlocks behind. Introducing CheckBAC Drive, our cutting-edge remote alcohol monitoring platform that's revolutionizing how we approach monitoring. Traditional ignition interlocks can be embarrassing and stigmatizing, often negatively impacting the road to recovery. With CheckBAC Drive, we can eliminate that stigma. Our equipment is installed under the dash and out of sight. Because it's all Bluetooth, you have no embarrassing tubes or large blow modules. CheckBAC Drive offers a discreet, cost-effective, and user-friendly solution that allows individuals to regain control of their lives without high cost and social embarrassment. Join the DUI and sobriety court monitoring future with CheckBAC Drive and experience the benefits of a seamless, efficient, and stigma-free solution. Visit getcheckback.com or www.SOBRDRIVE.com to learn more and make the switch today.